How to convert PDF to Word file. So let's start it. First of all, you click in the description box given link and you will be redirect on this page, I love PDF page. So this website is absolutely free and easy to use, and this website is also available on the PC and laptop and mobile, Android and Apple both. So you can use this website free. So first of all, you click on this link and you will be get this website and select your PDF which you want to edit, PDF to Word. So select the PDF, click on it, and I have a PDF this A1, and click on open button. So you can see this page, 5 page, and every page has a number 1 2 3 4 5. So I have option premium and without premium. In the premium, the OCR option is available, but no premium, no OCR. I prefer this not payable, uh, विदाउट पे किए हुए, बिना पे का ही हम इसे यूज कर पाएंगे. तो मुझे पे नहीं करना है. सो आई क्लिक ऑन दिस नो OCR and click on convert to word. So I have clicked this and just 2 second wait. You can see the PDF is converted in the document file and download automatically. But if not started, then click on this. So the PDF is downloaded. Then click on file and go to the select the PDF Word file, and I click on the desktop. Just on the desktop, you can see this Word file is. So double click and open the Word file. You can see the Word file is opening, and close this and enable editing, and you can see the Word file में ओपन हो चुका है 5 पेज. ठीक है, and edit this like control A. You can see edit this. Okay, so this method is easy and बिल्कुल फ्री, absolutely free है. So this is the tutorial of how to convert PDF to Word file. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe us. And if any question, so write in the comment box and I try to give your answer, the questions answer. And for the your help, I always stand up. Thanks for watching this video.